So, hello guys, welcome to EduTech. I think guys, one thing that is really important to understand if you are an aspirant of RBI is that from the past 2 to 3 years, the majority of questions that are being asked in the general awareness sections are being from current affairs, which means now the examination is current affair heavy or a current affair dominated examination. When I talk about general awareness section, here one thing that is very important to understand here is that if I talk about phase 1, around 80% of your examination is from current affairs. 66 marks this year, around 64 marks that is in the previous year. Similarly, if I talk about phase 2, this year I can say there was only a single question of strategy that could also be related to current affairs, which means all the objective paper that has been asked, all the objective questions that have been asked were all from current affairs. Now, if current affair is such an important topic, one issue that will be rising in our mind is, sir, from which source I should prepare current affairs, because there are multiple sources in the market. You will be seeing multiple newspapers. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि सिर्फ आपको मल्टीपल न्यूज़पेपर्स नहीं, you have to read only 2 newspapers or only 2 sources and you could secure 70% of your marks in the current affairs if you are reading these 2 sources very comprehensively. Now, if I talk about these 2 sources, the first question that will be coming into your mind is, how can I be so sure about these 2 sources? How can I be so sure about these 2 sources? Now see, for that, I just wanted to give you a glimpse about the analysis that we have done. We have done the detailed analysis both on phase 1 and phase 2 examination. And if I talk about the analysis for phase 1 examination, see, recent examination we have analyzed each and every question, and then we have tried to find out the original sources from where these questions were being asked. So we have tried whether they were asking from RBI websites, whether they were being asked from PIB, The Hindu, or any newspapers. So we have comprehended, we have analyzed each and every question. Similarly, for your phase 2 examination also, we have analyzed each and every question. And after getting a thorough analysis from these Excel sheets, we come to a conclusion that if you follow 2 sources comprehensively, you could secure at least 70%. I am saying more than 70% also, but 70% of your marks could be secured if you are following these 2 sources religiously. Mind में this word religiously. ऐसा नहीं एक दिन पढ़ा 2 दिन बाद आपने छोड़ दिया फिर नहीं नंबर आएंगे. But if you are following these sources religiously, you could secure at least 70% of your current affairs. You could secure those marks in your examination. Now, in this video, I will be basically briefing about these sources to you. ठीक है जी. So now guys, let's start with the session of the day. ठीक है. But before proceeding with the session, one very important thing that we have brought up for you are this important comprehensive guidebook. So guys, in this guidebook, you have all the important information that you guys are searching about. Examination pattern, important book list, important cutoff, what will be your role in RBI, what will be your salary structure in RBI, each and everything that you have in your mind guys, जो भी doubts आपके mind में है, we have searched these things, ठीक है, we have tried to analyze this thing and everything is provided in this guidebook. And one very important thing, it is absolutely free. It is absolutely free guys. For this, what you have to do is you just have to download this guidebook from the link that is given in the description below, and it is absolutely free. Now guys, let's come to the topic of the day. ठीक है जी. So if I talk about the 2 sources, the 2 sources are PIB. Just give me a second. Okay. So if I talk about these 2 sources, the 2 sources are PIB and the second one is The Hindu. Now if I talk about phase 1 examination, there were 45 questions out of the 66 questions from current affairs that were being asked only from these 2 sources. If I talk about specifically about PIB, 35 questions were there in PIB and 10 questions were being asked that is only from The Hindu. Now when I talk about these 2 sources comprehensively guys, The Hindu will also be comprehending PIB also, because जो न्यूज आपकी PIB में आएगी वो न्यूज ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी हिंदू में भी कवर होगी, which means these 2 sources are alternative also, but excluding PIB से exclude करके only in Hindu are these 10 articles. These 35 might also be seen in PIB. So which means if I talk about here, around 70% of your paper, especially the current affairs, are being asked from these 2 sources. Now, when I talk about the questions that were being asked, okay, so there was a question on the fleet card fuel on move that was being asked from PIB. Then there was a question on India's rank in global fisheries protection that was again being asked from PIB. That is the news from 30th of December. Then when I talk about, there was a question, statement-based question on PM Swanidhi was being asked. I have discussed with you because the scheme has been given some extension, and now this was again being asked from PIB. You can see the question on Jan Dhan Yojana again being asked from PIB. Similarly, when I talk about Hindu also, so guys, this was a very tricky question that was being asked in this year's IB examination because there was changes that have been made in cash reserve ratio, repo rate. Now, see, if you look at this question is looking quite easy, but it is really difficult to understand. See, we all know that repo rate has increased by 40 basis points. But what the examiner has tricked you is, he said that citing inflation concerns, it is followed by reduction in policy repo rate by how many basis points that were being increased in March 2022, okay, followed by reduction in 40 basis points in which of the following day. So guys, this question that was being exactly asked from the Hindu link. So this Hindu news, this question was directly being asked from this specific link of Hindu. Similarly, there was a question on Cyclone Sani. Again, this was seen in news in the month of May, that is from the newspaper Hindu. So this was about phase 1. Now when I talk about phase 2 also, it's not only about phase 1, but I'm going to talk about phase 2 also. Phase 2 में weightage और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं because current affairs there are very prominent. So when I talk about here guys, around 80% of your paper is from these two sources, that is PIB and the Hindu, which means the student who have religiously followed PIB and the Hindu, they can secure, they have an edge here in respect to the other students. तो उनके पास बहुत बड़ा edge हो जाएगा. Now here when I talk about the questions that have been asked, there was a question on smile scheme. There was 3 questions, and if I talk about the questions, the question was being asked from a single link of PIB, that is from this specific link when the smile scheme was basically being announced. ठीक है? So if you see this question here also, the statement based question that has been asked, it was a thing that was mentioned in this specific article. ठीक है? Sub schemes और क्या components होंगे smile scheme के, this was being mentioned here, and you can see this question here. You can see the question, skill development is provided under PM Daksh scheme. This has been given here. The second statement is beggar protection cell will be set up. It says beggar nahi, transgender protection cell will be set up. Then is scholarship will be provided studying for students studying in class 9th till postgraduate. This was again a thing that was being mentioned in this specific article of PIP. Similarly, when I talk about from the Hindu, so from the Hindu guys, there was one important topic that was being asked on human capital index, and that news was seen in the Hindu newspaper. Now, very important thing here is, now those of you who have just been trying to analyze के sources क्या हैं, वो फटाफट में यहाँ पे आके वीडियो बंद कर देंगे कि I know the sources, now I can score maximum marks. But the important thing is guys, these sources, there might be majority of students who know these sources, but still they could not clear the examination. They might be committing some mistakes now. This is the student. I think the first part that I've discussed with you, what sources you need to follow, majority of students know, but वहां पे students गलती क्या कर रहे हैं? They are not trying to analyze what are the challenges they need to face when they are preparing these sources. First important challenges is there are multiple things. So if I talk about PIP, on an average PIP has 40 to 50 links. 40 to 50 links होते हैं on daily basis, but when your examination is near, which means in the initial phase you can approach PIB. Important thing क्या होगी? When your examination is coming, I can say when your examination was there in the month of May, before that you have your budget session, and in the budget session guys, you will see around 125 to 130 links on a consistent basis in PIB, which means there are too many news articles that needs to be covered, and it needs to be on a selective basis. ठीक है, आपको हर एक आर्टिकल नहीं खोलना, it has to be selective basis. So too many articles is the first concern that the students generally face. Initial level पे हर बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, but problem कहां पे आती है? When too many news articles are there. Second thing, similarly in Hindu also, you will see too many news articles. If I just give you a glimpse there, ठीक है? Now see, as I was discussing, look at the thing. If I just give you a glimpse of PIB, okay, you can see here also. So there, if I talk about the recent articles, you will see 38 to 39 links that are at this point when there is no session going on. But when your examinations are generally coming, guys, there are sessions that are going on. I just give you a glimpse of the article when your budget session is going on. Now see here, 98 links on 14th of March. 1st of April 125 लिंक. So guys, here comes the problem. Initial level पे तो हर बच्चा पढ़ लेगा, but problem कहाँ पे है कि जब आपको इतने articles देखने हैं, you have to filter out these articles. It's not that all these 125 articles, and filtering these articles is one of the main problem. So here comes the first problem that students are facing is that there are too many articles that they need to cover when they are preparing these sources. This is the first challenge that students are facing. Second thing that students are facing is when you look at this question that was on PM Adarsh Gram Yojana. If I give you if I see this question, okay, there was an article on PIB, okay, that was on 5th of April, that is regarding the implementation of Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana. Now, before discussing this article, guys, I just wanted to have you look at the question that have been asked. Which of the following state was not included in the initial phase of the scheme? Then there was a question on the indicators that have been identified under the Adarsh Gram Yojana. So if you look at this article that we have just been gone through, if you just look at this article, no information has been given about that specific information. This is a general article on PM Adarsh Gram Yojana that was being there. Now, एग्जामिनर माइट बी लुकिंग एट दिस थिंग कि पीएम आदर्श ग्राम योजना है तो आपको पढ़नी है. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं जो दूसरा क्रक्स आपके सामने आएगा, दैट इज you will be seeing the multiple sources here. So now if you look at this article, the question was being asked from this specific article. तो मैंने आपको पहला क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा था, which state was not part of the initial pilot phase? Look at the question, the states that are being implementation in pilot phase. Then there was a question on monitorable targets. What are the domains and what are the monitorable targets? That are also the thing that has been specified in this specific article. जो कि कब को लॉन्च हुआ था? This was the article that was seen on 5th of January in PIB. So which tells us that it's not just a single article. If you have gone through a single article, you can solve the question. It's not like that. You have to refer to the multiple articles for just looking at a single question, which again will what it will happen is आपका टाइम और ज्यादा लगेगा when you are searching a single information. It's not that you are following PIB, single article देखा आपने पढ़ा तो आपका पेपर क्लियर हो जाएगा. It's not like that. It will not be like that. You have to search a lot, and that's how it becomes a time consuming task which is looking quite easy in the initial phase. कि PIB ही तो पढ़ना है, but PIB difficult कैसे होता है? This is the thing. Too many articles, multiple news articles you have to refer when you are covering PIB. Then the next important thing is now how you should avoid these things. Now, if you are preparing on your self basis, what are the things that you need to do? First and the foremost thing here is, but before coming here, guys, जो मैंने आपको चीज आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई है, before coming that when you are creating the notes, first important thing is you should create the notes with reference to PYQs. That is, you should be thorough about the PYQs and then you should be selective about the news picking. It is not like that कि आपको हर एक न्यूज बनानी है. You have to be selective about the news, and from where how you could be selective by looking at the PYQs. The second thing, when you have made these notes, you have to revise their notes again and again, and if any updation is there, you have to update your notes. This is the important thing. You have to update your notes, and when you are revising and updating, how to test your revision is practice. You have to practice more and more PYQs. This is the important thing. This is the crux of all these things. There will be students who will read the newspapers. There will be those students who knows that these are the two sources that are important. The challenges is they are not able to cope up with the sources. Second thing is, if they are able to cope up the sources, the important thing is they are not revising and updating the sources. And the third is they are not revising the PYQs or the practicing the MCQ. So this is the important thing that needs to be understood when you are preparing this thing. Now, when I talk about how we are helping you guys, so we are covering these three sources in a three important dimensions. We know schemes play a very important role for your examination in phase 1 and phase 2. So we have a separate document for the schemes that is by the name of schemes tab, in which what you will be doing is, what we are doing is we are covering the schemes that are mentioned in PIB holistically. तो PIB में कोई भी स्कीम जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दी है, this is again we are doing. We are looking at the scheme, we are searching the other links of the PIB also on that scheme, and then we are comprehensively covering those specific scheme along with MCQs. We are also providing so that you can practice these MCQs. Then for reports, we are providing the reports and analysis document, which we are covering the reports that are there in Hindu as well as in PIB, along with the other sources also. And last but not the least is our after excluding the news that are left after schemes and reports are being covered comprehensively in our current affairs magazine. So guys, this is how we are preparing. I have given you both strategy that you can prepare you can self prepare also, and how we are helping you, that is again I am telling to you. So guys, this was all about your session. Okay, I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly share the video with your friends also. Then guys, if you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can have an access to the other important videos also that we are providing on our channel regarding current affairs also. Strategy videos are also there, so you can refer to that videos also, and you can have the PDF. You can also get the PDF of the lectures also from the current affairs on our Telegram channel. The link for that is given in the description below. So guys, this was all from my end. I hope now you are clear about how you should approach your current affairs preparation when you are preparing for the next year's RBI examination. Wishing you all the best guys. Keep working hard, keep preparing. Bye bye.